Hello, my name is Varak Gazrekar and my project is Autonomous Farmer Friend. So, as the name suggests, this project is used for the agricultural purposes and mainly for the farmer. Many farmers use tractors in their field for the cultivation purposes, which causes around 6 lakhs in Indian currency, and many of them would make pollution. Also, many of the farmers uses the animals like bull or ox for cultivation of their field or their land. And if they are having a land which is around 5 acres, then it would cost approximately 3 and 3.5 lakhs per annum. So here comes my project where this farmer friend bot would be used for cultivating the land and simultaneously sowing the seeds into the soil. Here, this whole work would be conducted automatically by this machine or the bot, and the farmer can control these operations from a little distance away from the bot using a mobile application which would be connected with the bot. And also, this bot or this machine would definitely cost much lesser than the other cases. So let's see how it is. So let's take a look at the bot or the model of the project. Here I have used chassis for the purpose of moving bot over the field. Also, this structure is being made which is used for cultivating the field by moving this structure up and down. And also a cylinder is used here. So whenever the lines are made in the soil, simultaneously cylinder would drop the seeds into them while rotating. So for these all operations, Arduino Uno along with the motor driver and Bluetooth model is being used here. And also for the power supply purpose, I have used the battery supply also here. So using a mobile app on our mobile, we can control this bot remotely as the Bluetooth model is connected. So we'll use this mobile app so as to control this bot from a remote place. By this we can move the bot over the field and also make lines into the field and drop seeds using the cylinder. So now I will join the gardening fork over here so that whenever we would take this down, the structure down, it would get into the soil, and as we drag the bot behind, it would make lines into the soil. So now we will see how this bot is working, and for that purpose I have sprayed some soil over the floor and here we would be running this bot. So let's see how it would be running. So that's from my side. Thank you.